Okay, so for this hip and knee coupling drill, what we're learning to do is essentially flex the knee and the hip at the same time, and also extend the knee and the hip roughly at the same time. This is a drill that I use for gait re-education, so learning how to walk again after surgery or even with neurological patients, but is also a good early stage sprint mechanics drill, so there's lots of carryover. It's very simple. We're going to stand on 2 feet. The first movement is I am going to use my glute to drag my foot backwards so that my heel comes off the floor, okay? And it's important that to do that movement, that doesn't come from an arch in the back to try and kick my leg back. I'm going to keep my hands on my pelvis, keep my pelvis nice and steady, and I'm just going to use my glute to drag that foot back so that my heel comes off the floor. So we've now got paired hip and knee extension. Now, this is the other important part, is to bring my leg forwards. I'm not going to bend my knee first. I am going to think about kneeing the ceiling up above me and pull through to this position. And then we put the foot down, okay? So nice stable pelvis. Use that glute to extend the hip. If we want, we can also add a little squeeze of the quad in this position so that our glute and our quad are now contracting. And now I'm not going to bend my knee. I'm going to knee the ceiling in front of me so that my hip flexes, and as a result of that, I get knee flexion and then put back down.